pressure and time. So the longer we hold the pose, that gives our not only nervous system a chance to tell us, okay, we're safe.
Yes.
We can relax.
So is that connected to your stress?
Yes, because our spinal cord, our nervous system, they go hand in hand.
Makes sense.
Yeah, so the longer we stay in those poses, like I said, it's not only our nervous system, it's also our connective tissue and our fascia that is kind of unwinding and unraveling. So our body can come back into its alignment, you know. So restorative poses are amazing. Putting those blocks underneath, just holding there, focusing on those cycles of the breath that we've been working on, filling the lungs, expanding the rib cage, even holding it at a top for 1,000 to 1,000, exhaling and literally thinking like your body's like a balloon releasing air helps me so much to think of like the muscle just giving and everything can just kind of straighten out.